I'm combat ready.
Alrighty.
No, we need to jump back into this. I need to know what happens next, and I need some redemption fights. I need Yang fucking kicking Mercury's ass.
Dude, I need Yang.
I need Yang breaking
His leg for
his
real.
legs for real this time. I need that to happen. I need fucking Yang to win.
I've got to see Yang.
Oh, God.
Shotgun punch him in the dick. I've got to see it. And I know it's coming. And I got to see Pyrrha
Do something.
do something that isn't bad.
You just like do something. It's like, oh, here we go. She's gonna do something. I just don't know if we're gonna like it.
Alrighty, guys. Well, with that preemptive, welcome to the Weebs Closet. My name is Nekko,
Mike,
I'm contemplating my life as Jake.
and he'll probably not be here next episode. And then,
they probably won't be chopping off Nekko's arms and legs. Is it?
What if Pyrrha goes so dark that John has to act?
ooh. I mean,
We're doing pre-discussions now.
I
I mean,
Oh
we could.
man, this
let's
is
just
so exciting.
let's just cut to the chase.
Alrighty, guys. Follow us in Twitter. Follow us in Twitch. Check our Patreon out. We got Uncuts and other shows that are over there before they get
It's
in YouTube.
all in the description.
It's all in the desk. And then watch the show and then come back over here. All right. With that said, let's just start it in 3, 2,
Just do it. Just do it.
1.
Hit. I love that little jingle.
Is it bad that the opening is giving me anxiety? Like I just want it to be over. Just jump
Just go.
straight to the
Yeah.
content.
It's too good though.
For the last episode, there's a couple of things that like tie into another episode, so I will have to like make a super cut for y'all, or probably do it after the episode because I know that y'all complain about the last time that I recorded the episode to show it.
No, fuck that. Just do it right in there.
I want to see Blake face Adam. That's for sure.
I feel like Blake's gonna lose.
I think so.
Bro, Adam-
Blake hasn't done anything this volume.
Adam looks like he's like fucking on 3 different power levels. He's like it's like base Goku versus like fucking Frieza and Golden.
Yeah.
Like that's how it feels like.
But you're right, and Blake has been way on the background, and it's like she was in there in the first fight, the first episode, and then never again.
Yeah, and then she had like 2 lines when she was eating the fish in the bowl, and then we didn't see her for like 6 episodes.
Yeah.
Yep. And then she had massive trust issues with Yang.
They were carrying somebody.
Oh, I didn't see in the background.
Yeah.
I don't believe this.
That's crazy.
Yang, are you okay? I'm fine.
Oh, they got Zwei. They're gonna win.
Not answering her scroll.
No, she isn't. Yang, I'm sure she's fine. She's our leader. She can take care of herself.
I don't know. She got a massive gut kick.
She's just a kid, though.
Let me know.
That somber piano opening theme in the background. That just it's the end of the world.
It do be feeling like that, though.
Weird. White Fang are releasing Grimm into the school.
The White Fang is here. Yang!
I gotta go. Be careful.
They're being completely ignored.
What are we going to do?
I wish somebody would attack me.
We're going to the docks, and we're doing our job.
Warning, safety barriers failing.
Oh, she's still super upset.
Jesus.
I would feel awful right there.
Yeah.
Oh, she got cut to bits. Never mind.
Yeah, but her
Her head
brain's
is
still intact.
Still intact.
You gotta move.
Uh-oh.
Kira, please snap out of it.
Oh, excuse me? Oh, it's Ruby.
you're like, what the fuck?
I thought it was Penny's floating hand or something like that. This is crazy. And she knows how to use a sword because she trained with Crow. Oh, all their weapons just spawned on Nevermore like that.
Noise.
There's no way he's dead. Let's go. Oh, it's Team Coffee. Oh, it's all of them.
Avengers?
Assemble! It is that moment, though. Oh, Fox. Everyone. Team Funky. Nice.
Damn, right in the
God
eye.
damn.
Excellent.
That's some team composition right there.
That was cool AF.
Ruby,
Oh yeah, I don't know what Ruby thinks of Pyrrha now.
I am so sorry. Me too.
I have to kill you.
She's right.
Damn.
Whoever was on the microphone, they're the ones that did this.
Yes.
We have to make sure
That's good that Ruby understands that.
else.
I mean, she caught on.
Yeah.
She caught on before it even happened. Like, she was just too late to stop it.
Mm-hmm. Bro, the shot.
Such Avengers vibes.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Bro, and this was like pre-Endgame and Infinity War.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is pretty hype right here.
Was Avengers even out? Like the first
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
The first one, yeah.
First one, yeah.
Son, I need your scroll.
I guess they could just call anybody's things now, I guess.
Students, I think
Bruh.
it would be best for you to leave.
But we
Miss
can
Rose, this day will surely go down in Remnant's history. I'd prefer it if my students could live to tell about it.
Let's go.
I like that hoverboard, dude. Velvet kills me with that camera.
Hey, somebody needs to keep the track of the pictures in the history books.
What's funny about it is that they're terrible. They're like the most plain pictures ever. I love it.
We had one professional photographer back in the day. It's just the pictures of the
Bro, yeah. We have scenes of the moment that it happened.
It's just like
just
photos of the
that,
fluid
like-
feet running
It's just
around.
Sun Wukong's like shorts.
Bro, like Velvet is just that you know, like in like all those videos of like aliens and shit like that. It's always so fucking blurry. That's Velvet. That's just Velvet.
Like, you know when the moon looks really cool and you take a picture of it and it looks
Yeah,
like shit?
yeah, that's Velvet's photograph right now.
She must be protected at all costs. Wow. Crow is somewhere smiling right now.
Yeah, right.
Okay, okay.
What was that light jog?
I think he's a little rusty.
Some WD-40.
No pun
Oh
intended.
fuck.
Oh, he's getting in there. Oh. Devil May Cry.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, shit.
He has some fucking Winter Soldier arm or something like that?
Jesus.
Oh, yeah, probably.
What's going on?
The world's ending.
They were crawling all over the city. The White Fangs invaded Beacon, and to make matters worse, some vagabond has seized one of my ships. Until we regain command, the skies are out of our control.
Vagabond.
So I'm going to take it back.
Wow, okay.
What should we do?
You have two choices. Defend your kingdom and your school, or save yourselves. No one will fault you if you leave. Let's move out.
Well,
That's a test. Everyone would hate you if you left.
Yeah, like fucking Cinder's already established. Like, look at him. Look at him turn tail. You know, like.
I mean, come on. We can take a ship to Beacon.
Just that would be the worst way to like just.
kill off a character.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would suck.
Oh, fun. How about this one?
Goodbye.
All right. Nothing.
Bro, Neo is so short it never gets old.
This one.
She's like 4'11" or something like that. 4'10".
Maybe.
Oh fuck!
What? Look out!
Wait, they just laid on the ground. That didn't do anything.
It lowers the accuracy.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. It messes up their targeting systems. No way.
Fucking knew it!
Get a taste of your own medicine, though. Kill with his own robots.
Ruby, what are you doing?
Pay attention to her semblance real quick.
No, what the fuck?
Yeah, she just like a bead onto the platform.
Yeah. Her semblance kind of looks odd in this one, and they keep messing with it. So now they're next seasons.
Bro.
Did you just fucking hack a fucking pod?
I think it was hers.
Oh.
You can input any coordinates, and it should fly over there. So.
Damn.
Go see what that is.
Oh my god, Ruby versus Neo would be the most hyped thing ever. Do not disappoint me here.
Goddamn
Oh
fucking.
shit, Weiss. Or was that? Yeah, it is Weiss. I'm telling you, Weiss is pretty damn strong.
I feel like the more I see her do stuff, the more I feel like I would have wanted to see Weiss versus Mercury in that tournament fight.
Yeah.
She would have been a lot more level-headed.
Yeah.
Would have been able to stop them with glyphs or shit.
Be safe.
Oh my god, here it comes.
Here we go.
Well, well, well.
Hello, my darling.
Gross.
I mean, they were something.
Yeah, but that's just kind of like, you know, having a toxic relationship with your boyfriend who goes like, hey, babe. You know,
Yeah,
like,
yeah. I get it.
Beautiful. It's almost sad.
It's horrendous. Focus on the Elysian Nights.
Oh, I'm getting all of
Making TikToks before they were fun.
Continue the broadcast until the end. And do not miss what happens next.
What's gonna happen next?
Holy shit. Some Rampage vibes.
Oh, the big one. The big Grim. The first Grim. Yo,
What the
on
fuck?
some Monster Hunter shit right now.
it's the fucking Grim Rathalos.
Yeah.
I thought it was ribcage was gonna fucking pop open or some shit.
Oh no.
Oh shit! It's a fucking Grim factory.
Grim Factory.
Do something, Ozpin.
Yeah, legit. He's just standing there.
Oh my god, this is like Cloverfield.
Where's she going?
I'll go find out. You two stay here and keep fighting.
Oh my god. No way that's the end of the episode. Fuck! I didn't get my Ruby v Neo. I didn't get my Blake v Adam. That is the problem, is that if we watch the next one, we have to watch the next one. Like,
Yeah,
it could be there, it could not be there, but the point is still hit home.
Yep.
That shit has hit the fan.
Yeah, no, he definitely has some fucking Winter Soldier fucking mechanical ass arm.
There's no way she's 4'11". She has to be like 2'7".
Blake is not gonna do shit. Like, she's too traumatized from seeing Adam that she's not gonna be able to hurt him. First it was Papa John's, then Pizza Hut.
Now
'cause
Domino's.
I accidentally willed it into existence, and now Domino's is just invading into it now. I need Rooster Teeth to make an episode where it's like just the 3 pizza gods just fighting over.
Hope you guys enjoyed another Weebs Closet reaction. A special thanks to our Patreons. We appreciate your extra support to keep this channel going. Be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. See you in the next one.